trying to work with quite a few people, even the negative people in different countries. I'm not going to pick on one or the other, but I will say I get my most probably negative things that are being said from a few people in India, okay, and a little bit in Bangladesh, and that's okay. It's normal. But I want to let you know one thing that I don't ever want to see or hear, and I hear it every day. Um, my brothers Gershmender and Niraj, they're wonderful people. They do a lot, and they say a lot, and they keep you going. I was told yesterday that they were getting threats. Even me myself have gotten threats before, and I'm asking the founders who are doing this, please don't do that. It's never a good thing. You came into this company with love. We want you to stay because that's what this company is all about. I myself don't tolerate stuff like that. I stay away from it. I myself have literally left friends that I've known for years because of negativity or anger. Don't want to be anywhere around them. But let me tell you this. Nobody knows, and I'm going to repeat this. Nobody knows what Ash Mafara knows, okay? And to threaten someone, especially, we'll say a loudspeaker, we could call them leaders, it is never a good thing to do. You want to scare them? Guess what? You did. They got families that they care about, and they don't need that kind of pressure. But I'm going to tell you firsthand, they don't know anything to tell you, and nobody does. And we're going to wait for Ash Mafara. We have a couple people doing YouTubes that are talking about you demanding we want dates. No, not allowed. Over a month and a half ago, Ash Mafara came out and said, I'm not going to give anything to you until I know it's set, until it's laid out perfect. He has said that over and over. I'm not sure why you didn't hear it. I want to thank my big Indian YouTubers that are sharing our message every day. Believe it or not, that's a great thing. I ask you to like and subscribe to their channels, India, Bangladesh, and you can hear what we're saying maybe in that language. It's very, very important that we stay positive. But hate is not allowed in this company. Never has been. It never will. This company is completely growing on love. Love of God, love of people of all colors, races, religions. We have respect for everyone in there. But we can't threaten people. We can't. You could call me, threaten me, and we'll have a conversation. Trust me, I'm going to win. But the people that want to go out and try to become this big leader by being negative toward another leader, that's never going to fly in this company. We have great leaders in every single country, people that get out and speak about the positivity in this company and what Ash Mafara is doing. So I'm going to ask all countries, and I don't know who you are. I know who some of you are, just to let you know. Hint, hint. Please do not threaten people who are trying to help you change your life. I got to believe Ash Mafara gets a lot of those threats too, but it doesn't stop him. I'm going to ask Niraj and Gershmender to come out and talk on lives, keep the people positive. Myself and Marty will join you if that's what it takes to talk to people. But they're great guys. We have a lot of great guys and a lot of great ladies in all these countries that just want to change your life. But demanding things or threatening things, that's a big no-no in Onpassive. That's something Ash Mafara would never approve of. So remember that. Just stay positive. Your life is about to change. The people that are being negative right now, you're going to change too when you see what's happening. But please, just wait. Because when this comes out, we're all going to be extremely happy. The people that are upset, going through hard times, they're going to be happy. And remember the most important thing. We all have situations in our lives. That is not Ash Mafara's fault, okay? We have to take responsibility for our own personal stuff. What Ash Mafara is doing for all of us is saying, hey, I want to help you change those bad situations in your life.